Come and watch the grasshopper teach us something new today.
Are you looking for a complete personal narrative unit? Be sure to check the description below to grab our paired differentiated lessons for stress-free planning. In our last video, you learned how to write a title for your personal narrative. Today, you will learn how to publish the essay. We are at the last stop of our personal narrative writing journey. It's time to publish. Publishing is when you write or type a final copy of your essay. A published essay is ready to be shared with others. Here's how to publish. Step 1 is to locate your draft. Find the draft of your essay that has all of your changes, like transitions, word choice, and edits. Here's mine for my whale watching story. Step 2 is to write your final version. You will copy what you have on the draft paper by handwriting on new publishing paper or typing it. Start by writing the title, then add in the lead, body paragraphs, and ending. Here's what my essay looks like when I published it. I fixed my mistakes and made my changes. There aren't any extra marks or symbols on my publishing paper. Step 3 is the last step. Share it with others. You can share your published essay with a teacher, friend, classmate, or other people you wish to read your essay. You're ready to get started publishing your personal narrative essay. Congratulations! Thanks for watching our teaching video on publishing a personal narrative essay. Don't forget to follow Grasshopper and shop our personal narrative writing resources. Check the description for more.